Wavy Hair sent over some goodies. They sent me over this cute like makeup pouch. Maybe it's a hair pouch. Some tweezers, bobby pins, a cute little hair clip, as well as a, I guess, edge brush, as well as a elastic band if you want to make this a glueless wig, and this super cute satin wrap for your hair, as well as a wig cap. So the wig did come in this really cute wigs like, I don't know, bag. And here is the Wet and Wavy wig. It is 20 inches and it is 180% density. I believe the lace is a medium brown Swiss lace, and this is a 4x4 closure. So in this clip, we're just going to get into bleaching the knots. I did speed through this clip just because obviously this video isn't focused on that. So I just used some Got To Be spray to get the hair out of the way. And I'm just going to comb that back, and I am going to go in with some bleach powder from, I believe is Blonder. Yes, Blonder. And then I'm going to go in with the 40 developer. Y'all, I can't talk right now. I don't know what's wrong with me. Anyway, so I'm gonna just flip that over and I'm going to bleach the knots. Now, me personally, with my consistency, I feel like I like mine a little bit more creamier than most people, but whatever suits you for your bleaching, that's that. So this is the wig. This wig, I have bleached the knots by this point. I have put on my, I have plucked it, and then I also had put on my Ruby Kiss foundation, and I'm just hot combing it back so we can get to styling this wig. I am cutting off these little strip things from the closure just so that the wig lays a little bit more flat. What I will say is this wig is 22.5 circumference. My head is a 21.5 circumference, so it was a little bit bigger for my head, but that is the average size head, 22.5, if you guys didn't know. But other than that, the wig fit pretty fine. It does come with an elastic band in the back, so that it can be glueless. And I did this janky little ball cap method just because it's a closure, so I didn't really care to make sure that the cap was all around my hair line. And I am just going in with some Got To Be spray, blow drying that. I did this about 3 times. So now it's time to lay this lace down. So I'm just taking my comb and pushing it into that Got To Be. And then I'm going to take my blow dryer and just kind of make sure that that lace is sitting in that spray. And of course, you just take you a razor or maybe some shears. The small cuticle shears are best if you do use shears. And if you do use shears, just make sure you cut kind of in a jagged edge to get, you know, that nice. You don't want it to be straight across type of look. And now we're just gonna kind of start styling this wig. In my opinion, styling this wig wasn't hard at all. It was actually very simple. You might notice through this video though that I was struggling a bit. I don't know what the struggle was and why there was even struggle, but I low-key felt like I was struggling. And I'm like, girl, what's wrong? I'm like, this is not your first time installing a wig. I don't know what's tea, but baby, it was a struggle going on in this video. Hopefully the way I edited it, you can't really tell that much, but baby, it was a struggle. I don't know what was going on. I don't know if it was like one of those when you have to do something in front of a camera, you get like, it's like you don't know how to do it. But if you just doing your own thing on your own time without recording, you good. I don't know if it was like that, but baby, I'm gonna tell you right now, the struggle was the baby hairs for some reason. And honestly, I feel like I don't typically struggle with baby hairs, only because I have baby hairs. Like I do my own baby hairs with my natural hair, so I never felt like I really struggled with baby hairs. But baby, the struggle with these baby hairs for this wig, it didn't even have to be a struggle, but it was a struggle. So I'm just gonna take some like mousse, or yeah, and I'm just gonna apply that on my baby hairs. I actually seen Hypnotic Lady do that. I love that method. I don't know why nobody really has ever thought to do that, or at least I haven't seen anyone do it. But she like lays it down first with like the mousse, and then wraps it so it kind of sets it, and then it helps her style it afterwards. But I'm gonna tell you this, I styled this wig. I did the wig, recorded the video and everything, and then like when I was done, I don't know why I was like, I don't like it, I'm not feeling it. And nothing with the wig, it was like me, it was me. So then I ended up recording it for a second time. Girl, tell me why I still ended up just using the first recording. Like, just time wasted for what? But it doesn't matter. I have fun doing it. This wig was so easy to work with and style, so I really didn't mind. Plus, like I said, it is glueless, so glueless methods are always easier to maintain and do anyways. I don't know if I mentioned this wig is 180% density. So I thought that was like, pretty good as far as the density goes. Right now I'm just taking my wax for my hair, and I'm hot combing the hair down because we getting ready to style this wig. Well, not really style it, it's pretty much style, right? It's a curly wig. We're finna get this wig together. So we're just gonna do a middle part. I don't know why, but when I wear wigs, it's like my middle part don't ever really be a middle part. I'm not gonna lie though, this time though, I actually did feel like I had a really good middle part. But it was just funny because I told y'all I had restyled this wig the next day because I redid it, the video. And even though I already had the middle part there, it was like I don't know. It was like I still didn't have a middle part. It was weird. Anyways, back to this video. Back to this tutorial itself, because this one wasn't that bad. I don't know why I was tripping. I was just tripping. Like, I don't know. But I'm just plucking the middle part so it can be like super, nice, super straight, super just clean. And I'm just gonna take some water, just so I can get all the curls, you know, the same. I'm taking water, and then after this I will be taking a little bit of mousse to my hair. Look how juicy them curls are. It looks so nice. And that's also a trick I do with my own hair, where you kind of wrap the hair around the brush, and it kind of helps create that spiral curl at the bottom, towards the bottom of the hair. So that's what I do to help define the curls even more. And I do believe at the end of the video, I mentioned that I wasn't sure if when the hair dries, if it like gets bigger or not, or if it stays kind of like at this state that it is. It does actually do, it does get a little bit bigger in the words. It does get a little bit bigger, and the curls, they're like fluffy, soft, and very light, and they do just have that nice spiral looking curl. I wasn't able to take a photo for you guys to show you, but I just wanted to let you guys know that, because I did mention it in the end of the video. I wasn't sure if the wig dries, you know, like bigger, or if it just stays, but it did dry the right way. All right, y'all, now it's time to watch the struggle of these baby hairs. Because I'm telling you, I don't know what the tea was, but well, I can tell you off rip, I don't never have my baby hairs as thick as they're looking right now. I did go in to pluck them a little bit, but I think I still should have plucked them even more. And I think maybe that's really why I was like not sure if I liked the install, because I think it really was the baby hairs for me. Like, they just wasn't really giving how I wanted them to give. But I'm gonna let y'all watch and see to the end, and y'all can let me know how y'all feeling. I personally feel like you know, yeah, they was like too thick, I feel like. And but like I said, I restyled the wig the next day, and I did fix it, and I liked it so much better. So I think that was just on my part. But like I said, other than that, the wig was very, very easy to work with. And so yeah. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you guys want to purchase this wig, like I said, it's a wet and wavy wig, 20 inches, 180% density. Very beautiful hair. Very easy to work with. You can just use my code down below in the description box. You can get 20% off. And yeah, you can also just check out their website. They do have Afterpay if you want to use that option. And they also have other wigs that you can purchase as well. Everything about this hair, as well as their website and their social media handles, will be down below in the description box. But I'm just going to let you guys continue watching the tutorial without me talking, because I feel like I have talked a bit much. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video so that you can be notified when I post again, and you can see more of my hair tutorials. Okay, you guys, so that's the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me install this glueless wig from Luvmehair. I really do like it. It is still kind of wet, and I'm not sure really how big it gets when it's fully dry. I feel like it doesn't get too much bigger than what it looks like now. And I am I love my curly hair like kind of bigger. And I do believe this is a 180% density wig. And definitely check this description box down below because that's where all of the details about this wig and this hair will be. But like I said, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified when I post again. But until the next hair tutorial, I'll see you guys in my next video.